Many times we cause our purpose to be aborted or diverted because of a temporary inconvenience. Sometimes we make some permanent decisions based on something that happens that is temporary. Can I tell you this? Sometimes you decide to throw in the towel permanently only because something didn't go our way. But can I tell you this? That the seasons that be in your life, whatever season you might have now, seasons do change. Can I talk to somebody? You are at a place where you should not be. No. The Lord is not concerned for whatever reason. You are there. But what the Lord is saying, that now is your season of change. The Lord is saying, now is your season of deliverance. All the hurt, all the pain, everything that you've been through, this is your past. The Lord is saying, your God Almighty, it's time to step into your future. And the beautiful thing about the God that we serve is, when you leave, when you come back, man said, go to the back of the line. But the beautiful thing about God, anywhere your seat was, I said anywhere your seat was, God must say stay down at the back. Anywhere your seat was, God said take back your seat.